Hello students, let us solve this question. Just now I explained you what is tautology and what is contradiction. Hope you understand that. So just now I explained you what is tautology, what is contradiction. Just see this example here. Is saying the statement P and Q by implies negation P is a dash. The options will be like this. A is a tautology, B is a contradiction, C neither tautology nor contradiction. Okay, then neither tautology nor contradiction, D none of this. Just see here how to find it. Okay, what we will do here, first of all, we look at the given function, given statement. Let us see here, in the statement, how many statements are, in this given question, how many statements are there? PQ, two statements are there. Identify the statements, write down P and then you write down Q. Okay. Then after, what you have to do here, write the left side part. Under bracket, what is there that you have to fill? P already we have, Q already we have. So P and Q. I will write, here is P and Q. You have to write this way only in exam. Actually this question, this is there in the board's exam also, boards, Maharashtra board. That is the reason I am explaining how to write each and everything. Next here, let us go here, this side what will be there? Negation P, right side. So right side part over, left side part over. Then I can combine, whole thing I can write. So what is the whole thing you have here? P and Q. P and Q by implies negation P. Hope you understand, right? Look at here. This is what? This you should know how to deal. First, what I have recognized, I recognized first two statements. Then I have wrote that. Then the left side part we have to finish. P and Q. Then we go for the right side. Then we go for the whole thing. That's it. Now what we do here, we write here the two table T, T, F, F, and you get here T, F, T, F. Okay, then P and Q, what will happen? P and Q? T, T will give you T, and condition T, T will give you T. T, F will give you F, because only one road you have, you need to reach home. So two gates are open, then only you will reach. T, 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 F, 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 T, F, 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 F. That's it. Now negation P, P for negation. So F, F, T, T. Now what you have to do here, these both I have to do by implies. What is by implies? Plus into plus plus, minus into minus plus. So TF is F, FF is F, FT is F, FT is F. So again you got contradiction, fallacy or contradiction. F you got. So option B is the right answer. So these type of questions, really JEE Mains ask these type of questions many things. So don't think these silly questions, these simple questions they will ask in exam. Not like that. They will ask. This is very important topic for JEE Mains as well as Maharashtra board, and for the CBSE class 11 they have, but not this much depth. Okay, now I think you have understood what is tautology, what is contradiction. I'll give more example, more questions homework in your group. I will share in the group, you can practice at that place. Okay, let us go for the next concept. What I am going to teach you is negation. Already you know, that is denial of a statement is called negation. Okay, denial of a statement is called negation. Now, what I am going to teach you, that is most important content here. Suppose you have a statement P, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, and statement Q, it is a equiangular. I just wonder what is written here. I just think two statements are there. So I think about those two statements. Now my thinking is, if I apply negation for the compound statements, then how to write? Negation for the compound statements, how to write? That is most important. So I will explain you, these are most important things, these the negation of the compound things are most important. Then you have converse, inverse and contrapositive. This is most important. Contrapositive JEE means asked 3 to 4 questions. In 2020 also they asked the questions. 2019 they asked. Contrapositive is most important. That I will deal with. Okay. Let me explain you first these things. Now you have understood that negation of P and Q we can write as negation P or negation Q. Is it true? Just let us see and we check it. So first thing is a negation of whenever you have P and Q, that will be equivalent to negation P or negation Q. This will be equivalent to this. Let us see this proof. PU is a statement, Q is a statement, and now you have P and Q. P and Q is another statement. I told you, whenever you want to prove equivalent conditions, focus on LHL. LHL you have a P here, Q here, and LHL side is P and Q you have. Then the negation of whole you have. So you can write as negation of P and Q. So the left part is over. Okay. Let's go for the right part. Okay, right part is what? What you have in the right side? You have a statement negation P and you have another statement negation Q. Then write down the whole thing of right part. Negation P or negation Q. Just we wrote this box. Hope you understand. Now we write the truth table T, T, F, F, T, F, T, F. Right? And means already I explained many times. I don't want to repeat. T and T is T. Remaining times it is false. Hope you understand. Negation of this means opposite. T will become false. False become true. So you got this. What is negation P? Negation P means what? For P you have to write opposite. So F, T, T. For Q opposite. F, T. And for this both I have to do what? R. R is what? FRF is F. F. Both gates are closed. You cannot reach home. So FRF is F. So FRF is how much? F. FT is how much? T. TF is how much? T. TT is how much? T. Just look at this picture. The right and left side. Is this both are identical? Is this both truth values are identical? Yeah. The truth table of this one, the truth values of this one and the truth values of this one both are identical. So we can say these both are equivalent. That is what we said. And these properties are important to do some questions very tricky way, easy way, without using this box, table form. This is called as tabular form. Sometimes without using table form also we will solve the questions. Those are very familiar and very easy, they can do by tables. Let us see here. Now a statement is given. I will say a statement is given like this. I am taking ABC is an equilateral triangle. I have taken some easy one. Okay. However, let us see here. ABC is an equilateral triangle, and I have if I say it is equiangular. It is equiangular. So this is I have a statement. This is a compound statement. Now somebody asks you what is the inverse of this one? What is the inverse of this statement? What is the inverse of this statement? So if I want to find the inverse of this statement, what logic I apply? I will see this part. I will go for this part, not directly like it. I don't see here. If I want to find, this is a compound statement, what is the inverse of this? If they ask, you have to go for this. What it is saying here? Negation P or negation Q. Negation P means what is the P statement? Triangle ABC is the equilateral triangle. What is the negation of that? This negation of this will be how to identify. They won't give you PQ. They give you a statement, and this type of questions ask JE. ABC is an equilateral triangle and it is equiangular. Equiangular. Okay, I did not wrote complete here. Equiangular. Equiangular. Okay, equiangular. So he's asking what is the inverse of this? What is the inverse of this? So what I wrote here, you should remember these properties. This is you must remember. Negation of P and Q will give you negation P or negation Q. This is called De Morgan's law. I'll explain when I explain you all the laws. So De Morgan's law. According to De Morgan's law, negation P or negation Q. So what I say here, triangle ABC equilateral triangle and it is equiangular. Then I write this compound statement is first statement. I recognize what is first statement. This is the and before one is one statement. And after is another statement. So you understand two statements. Now what I have write negation P or negation Q. What is negation P? ABC is, so this is the statement. Okay, this is a compound statement. This is a compound statement. Okay, this is CS, compound statement. What I am writing here, I am writing is inverse of the compounds, inverse of the conjunction. This is a conjunction. We can say this is a conjunction. Compound statement, this is a conjunction. And I am writing the inverse of this. So in inverse of this I am writing. So what I get here, ABC is not an equilateral triangle. Not an equilateral triangle. This is not an equilateral triangle. This is not an equilateral triangle. Or I use or, not and here. Or it is not equiangular. It is not equiangular. It is not equiangular. So this is the way to write. So the inverse of this compound statement is ABC is not an equilateral triangle or it is not equiangular. Hope you understand, right? Let us go for the second proof. What is you have in this second one? You have negation of P or Q will equal to what? Negation P and negation Q. So you have P. So let us change now. Negation of P or Q is equal to negation P and negation Q. I have to see this. Now here what I do here, I erase this part. Okay. I'll make you understand. Huh? We will learn slowly, but we will learn with perfection. That's what. Now you have negation of P or Q. What is equal to that? Negation P and negation Q you have to do. Okay. So I am erasing these all boxes. Right now it is not required for me. Okay. According to this question I have to build it. Right. What you have here in the bracket PQ I wrote. Here I can write as P R Q. Negation. Next we will write negation of P R Q. Next I can write as negation P. Next I can write as negation Q. Next I can write as negation P and negation Q. See here, why I am taking a lot of time to explain is you should not miss marks in this, and it is an easy topic. Even for the board, J1, J2, all. See here, you have to learn this. You should not miss single mark from this. Okay. PRQ, negation of PRQ, negation P, negation Q, negation P and negation Q. Okay, I hope you understand what I wrote. I wrote the right side, left side part, I used negation P, Q and I used this. Okay, let us see here, TT. For this, whenever you have equivalence you have to prove, don't write combined again there. Don't write. Right now what I will do here, our condition is FRF is F, remain times it is true. And negation of this one is what? F, 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 T this is. Negation P means what? F, F, T, T. What is negation Q here? Negation Q means what? F, T, F, T. Hope you understand? F, T, F, T. Negation P and negation Q. Negation P and negation Q. For this both, I have to do AND. AND says what? FRF is F. Remain times is, T and T is T. Remain times it is false. F, F, F. F, T, F. T, F, F. T, no? This is T, right? T. Look at here this picture. F. So this is correct. So this is what you have to remember this. Remember this, okay? You have to remember this, okay? So what I can write now, you have a compound statement like that. That is a triangle ABC. Now compound statement, this is a disjunction, right? This is a ABC in equilateral triangle, or you have now or it is an equiangular. You have a statement. This is the disjunction statement. ABC in an equilateral triangle, or it is an equiangular. What I have to find? I have to find inverse of this. What is the inverse of this statement? Or negation of the statement, not inverse. Sorry, sorry. The last time I wrote inverse, not inverse. Sorry, it is negation. Sorry. Negation. Okay, we are talking about negation. Okay, negation of the statement. Sorry, for the previous one also, it is not inverse. Inverse is the another matter. This we will discuss later. Not inverse. This is negation. The previous one also negation. We are talking about negation of PRQ. Negation we are talking. Okay. So negation means ABC equilateral triangle, or it is equiangular. Then I write as ABC. See here the condition is negation P and negation Q I should get. Negation P of this one is what? ABC is not an equilateral triangle. Here what we have and condition. And means what I have here R is there. So negation will be and. Negation will be and. And negation Q will be become was it is not an equiangular. It is not an equiangular. So these are the way to write. But JEE means never asked this simple thing. JEE means asked on this. These two things they asked. JEE means focused on this, not on this, because these are very simple. R plus I'll write and plus I'll write R, it's over. So this simple thing did not ask. They focused on this. They focused on this. They asked on this. These both are most important. Now I will explain that. Okay. Hope you understand till now what I have explained you. Now let us go for the second part, that is the proof of this one and how to use. This use is most important for JEE. How to use the inverse of the compound statements. Okay? Hope you understand. Let us go for the number 3. What is number 3 says here? Number 3 says negation of P implies Q is equal to P and negation Q. This is what you have. Okay.